Vitamin D may help coronavirus patients recover faster. Study. 6 foods to add to your diet. Vitamin D against COVID-19. According to the study, enough vitamin D content in the body may lessen the oxygen requirement in patients affected with coronavirus. Vitamin D may help in the treatment of coronavirus. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is known to help our bodily functions in a number of ways. This nutrient is said to help absorb calcium from the foods eaten, which further helps in strengthening our bones, muscles, teeth and even nails. Apart from this, vitamin D plays a big role in maintaining our immune strength, which is of great importance right now in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. If vitamin D helps to prevent COVID-19, it also helps in the treatment of affected patients, researchers from Boston study have claimed after a thorough research. According to the study published in PLOS One journal, enough vitamin D content in the body may lessen the oxygen requirement in patients affected with coronavirus. COVID-19 is a respiratory and systemic disorder caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome. The researchers set out to investigate the association between serum 25-hydroxyvitamin D levels and its effect on adverse clinical outcomes, and parameters of immune function and mortality due to a SARS-CoV-2 infection. A total number of 235 patients infected with COVID-19 was studied. 74% of the patients had severe COVID-19 infection and 32.8% were vitamin D sufficient. A significant association was seen between vitamin D sufficiency and reduction in clinical severity. 9.7% of patients older than 40 years who were vitamin D sufficient succumbed to the infection compared to 20% who had a circulating level of 25/D30 ng/ml. Therefore, it is recommended that improving vitamin D status in the general population and in particular hospitalized patients has a potential benefit in reducing the severity of morbidities and mortality associated with acquiring COVID-19, read the report. 1. Fish. Oily or fatty fish like salmon, tuna and mackerel contain more vitamin D than less oily fish. 2. Egg yolks. The yellow part of eggs you might have been throwing away is actually a good source of vitamin D. 3. Mushrooms. This healthy vegetable is rich in vitamin D and can be used in a number of ways to make healthy and tasty meals. 4. Whole grains. Whole wheat, ragi, barley, oats, all whole grains provide vitamin D in abundance. 5. Dairy products. Keep the content of milk, cheese, yogurt and other dairy products high in your diet. 6. Soya milk and almond milk. Alternate between your regular milk and soy milk and almond milk to get your vitamin D fix. This contents including advice provides generic information only. Please save the trees and nature. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.